Namaste, my dear friends. We are discussing different topics in science, and today let us have a small discussion about houses. We know that our basic needs, food, clothing and shelter, these three are our basic needs. Food is very important for us to live. Clothing is also very important. Shelter is very important. See, this shelter is nothing but the house. We are living in a house. For any family to live, a family requires a house to live. This house may be an own house or a rented house, but a family requires a house to live. So coming to this house, in the olden days, very olden days, if you take the very olden days, people used to live in the cages. People used to live on the trees. People used to live in small huts. And slowly, after few generations have passed, the people started living in better concrete houses. Now we are trying to live in a concrete house. This house protects us. It's a great protection for us. It protects us from hot sunlight. It protects us from rain, heavy rain. It protects us from many dangerous animals like snakes and all. It protects us from thieves, from very cold breezes in the winter. In that way, the house is a great protection from all these things. It protects us from many things. It gives us maximum comfortable area for us to live, for the whole family to live. So my dear friends, now house is playing a key role in our life. That is the reason why it is one of our basic need. It is one of our basic need. Every individual, every family requires a house, whether it is a small house or a big house or a luxurious house. But a house is a basic need for any family to live in. So my dear friends, coming to Pakka houses. Pakka houses are constructed with, we use bricks, we use concrete, we use sand, cement and all these materials, and different people work hard for the construction. And this Pakka house can stand for near about 100 years of lifespan will be there, and it can withstand the fire. There is no chance of having fire accidents. The minimization of many risks are there. The concrete house is more stable. It can withstand heavy blows of air. It can withstand heavy temperatures. It can withstand many tough conditions of the atmospheric conditions. So, in that way, we can even construct the tiled houses, even the huts. But huts are more prone to fire accidents, more prone to, they are a bit weaker compared to the concrete houses. Every 2 years or every 1 year, they have to maintain it. The maintenance is more. Here, in this case, the maintenance is a bit less. So, in this way, but on the whole, house is a very important entity for any family to live in. And coming to the house, we have a compound wall, we have a gate for closing and opening, we have different rooms are there. We generally sleep in a bedroom. We call that room as a bedroom, the place where we sleep, the place where we cook our food. We call it as kitchen room. Our mother cooks food, prepares food for the whole family in that kitchen. It's very important. And good amount of ventilation is provided, because a lot of smoke comes out when we are cooking. Ventilation is being provided. And we take our bath in a bathroom. We brush our teeth in the bathroom. We watch the TV and we sit together with all the family members. In that way, different rooms are there. Basing on the luxuries, there are few people who even have luxurious houses. Let us not discuss much about it. We are generally discussing about an average person. So my dear friends, house is playing a key role. It is giving us a good shelter for us, protection for us. So, and according to our culture, we used to say that Gruham is called as a Lakshmi, Gruha Lakshmi. We worship the house. We worship it. And there are many doors are there, there are many windows are there. These doors and windows makes the air to flow through it. The ventilation makes the light, the sunlight, it allows the sunlight to come inside. So the ventilation is a very important thing for any house. A house which is well ventilated, people inside that house will be more healthier. So ventilation is a very important thing. The airflow and the light, the natural light, there must be a source, and that is the reason why we use the doors and the windows and even the ventilators. Ventilators are placed above because the hot air is light and it goes out through the ventilators. So in this way the house is constructed, and every individual will have their own dream house. We must have our own dream house. In some houses there will be small cradles are there, people like to swing in that. In some houses they will have a small aquarium where they'll have some kind of fishes in that. Children like to enjoy seeing the fishes for a long time. In some houses there will be a small pond for swimming pool is there where they can even have small swimming facilities are there. Small gardens are there in some houses. So that depends from person to person. So I request all of you, I don't know about what is your dream house. You try to discuss with your parents about your dream house. Everyone should have a dream house. Small children also should dream about a house, and a lot of care must be taken in maintaining the house. The neatness, cleanliness of the house, the regular maintenance of the house. There are so many people who work for that. Whenever there is any problem regarding the water related things in the plumber comes and does the repair. If any electrical problems are there, the electrician comes and does the repair about it. If any carpentry work is there, windows and doors and all, the carpenter comes and repairs it. If any cement work is there, the flooring or something, the mason will come and do the repair. If the painting has gone, the painter will come and do the new coating of painting. In that way there are different varieties of people are there, professional people are there who work for the maintenance of the house. They even get the employment out of it. And in India we generally worship the house. Gruham is called as the Lakshmi. So let us all give respect to our house and love our house. Now let us see some hard words, and please let us try to write them and learn about them. In the house, clothes, see we use curtains, we use different types of things. Next, protect. The house is protecting us from all this, from the hot sun, from the rain, from the thieves, from the snakes and all. Protect. Bricks. The house is constructed with the help of the bricks. Windows, doors. Windows and doors are allowing the fresh air to come, and the air is flowing through the windows and doors. The ventilation is very important. Doors and windows must be there. Cooking, very important. And shelter. The house is giving shelter for all of us. Harmful animals cannot come inside our house. Rain, it is protecting us from rain. Cold breezes in the winter. The house is protecting us from cold breezes. Kitchen, we generally, the place where we cook is called the kitchen room. I request all of you, please write the hard words. So my dear friend, let us see some more hard words. I request all of you, please try to write them. Worship. We all know what is the meaning of worship. We worship God. We worship the divine things. So we worship even our house. Safe. It's making us to live safely. Safe. Rest. We can take best rest at home. Rest. And that is the best place for any person to rest. East and west, home is best. This is the line told by Swami Vivekananda. You go to because he went to the complete east and west. Out of all, our home is the best, because we get the best rest out of it. Caves. Caves are nothing but They are naturally formed. So in the olden days, people used to live in the caves. Bedroom, it's a place where we sleep. Bathroom, it's a place where we have our bath. Living room, generally we spend with the whole family in the living room. We watch the TV, watching, seeing. Seeing is also called as watching. Sleep, in the night we sleep. We try to sleep in the bedroom. Bathing, having the bath is called bathing. The roof, you know that, it is the top roof. Wall, see the house is made of all the walls. Different, there are different things in a house. Windows, doors, there are so many different things are there. So, I request all of you, please try to write down, learn the spellings, and please try to read the lesson also. Thank you very much.